Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing how to install a gas cap. And this is for a Ford Mustang 2004, but it'll be compatible with a 1999 to 2004. And the part number, you can see it there, FC961. It's a fuel cap. And it's basically take off, I'm not sure if this guy put it on the right one, but I'll check right now. Take out one of these bolts basically to put it in. So I'm going to put it on the same one, but it's a 10mm socket that you just remove because it has that thing that hangs. So when you take off the gas cap, it just hangs on the side. So let me go ahead and remove that thing and see if that's the correct place. Okay, so actually the location is supposed to be on the bottom bolt here. That's so when it hangs, it'll be out of the way when you remove the gas cap. I guess that's the reason it probably broke on that person. It wasn't in the right location, but let me go ahead and do that. And it's basically just pass the screw around that thing and you basically put it back on. Okay, so there it is there. I already put the screw back on. You can see how it hangs, so it's out of the way when you put the gasoline, and then when you're going to put it back in, there it is. And it's out of the way, and everything is back. So go ahead and leave a comment and let me know what you think. I get to the comments back as fast as I can. And check out some of my other videos about the Mustang. And just by the way, this one is throwing a P1000, so I'm hoping it's just the gas cap because it doesn't want to go away. But there's no fuel cap signal or anything. But let me know what you think. Thank you.